Hey guys, David here. So how would you like the easiest, simplest Bitcoin investment strategy ever? Well, let's have a look. I've got one for you. Here we are on the Bitcoin USD chart on the weekly. Well, how about we just invest when Bitcoin is 50% down from its all-time highs. So take this from the all-time high in 2017 down to the 50% mark. Bam. I didn't click. There we go. You would have invested everywhere outside, everywhere below this box, right? Guaranteeing you at literally 100% profit if Bitcoin goes back to its all-time highs. Now, if we look at where we are right now, all-time high is here, 50% down. Wow, you've been buying in at these lows. Interesting rule, interesting investment strategy. Just dollar cost average in when you're below the 50% mark. Quite simple, very profitable. And if you look at how much of this chart is actually below this all-time high 50% mark, from 2017, you are literally investing through all this. So from March 2018 through to June 2019, then you stop investing for a bit, and then back in September 2019, you're investing all the way until July 2020. That is a lot of dollar cost averaging in. I'm seeing that on average, Bitcoin is below the 50% mark from its all-time high. So that's a very simple and interesting investment strategy for you. So I hope you like that simple investment strategy. I found it super simple and I just kind of made it up one day. It makes sense though. Pretty much if Bitcoin goes back to its all-time highs sometime in the future and you bought below 50% retracement, then you're guaranteed 100% profit. Why not do it? Either way, it's pretty simple. If you like that idea, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.